Hello and welcome to another video here on Humble Unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Vans Old Skool black and white shoe. The very classic shoe and this is size 10 US or US men 10 and Europe 43. Alright, so let's open this beauty up. Ooh. And the smell smells like new. Let's uncover. Oh, that was a little harsh of me. So here we go, shoe number 1. The laces are not in yet at all, so means that no one has yet tried this shoe on, and it's brand new. Let's get out shoe number 2. Now we should be able to get it out. Whoa. And yes, also shoe number 2 with a little tag on here. So also the laces are not in yet, so it's a total fresh shoe and no one has yet tried it. And this is what the downside are looking like. The classic Vans pattern, very classic. And then this is what they look from the side and from the front. And here in the back you have the Vans off the wall sticker that you always have on every Vans shoe. And this is from the other side. And then maybe the inside. Whoop. The laces here are looking like this, just the classic Vans Old Skool. Inside here also the logo and a white or kind of beige interior. Yes, alright. Well, let's get this here a bit sorted. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day and bye bye.